In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of viewing and reading OST files, using the RecoveryTools OST Viewer tool. To install the RecoveryTools OST Viewer tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Add File button. Select the OST file you want to view. Then, click the Open option below. A panel showing the entire structure of OST file will appear on the left. Click on any of the folders to preview its contents. Our tool has a section that shows if an email contains attachments. Select an email to view the message. This tool only displays relevant information in the message preview section. Users also have the option to view attachments if there are any. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.